Alrighty, we thought we'd do a quick installation guide on the shower swing out bracket. There's a bit going on with this one, so we thought we'd, put a bit of a video together. So initially in the kit, you obviously have your swing out bracket. And the way that works, it's all gas strut assisted like that. Pretty neat unit. I'll pop that over on the side there. You'll have your spring loaded latch and your latch receiver, I guess. Then you'll have your little baggie over here, not that baggie, just the baggie of bolts. And that's got all your bits and pieces in it. So first things first, what we would do is this actually bolts directly to the tent. And the way we're going to do that, in your bag here, you'll have your channel nuts. Depending on which tent you have, this is the plus tent, you might have different looking channel nuts. We would have already predetermined which tent you're going to and which ones you'll need. Just like you've fit your awning brackets or your solar panel, anything like that, you'd already be familiar with sliding these in the side. And from there, we've got our M8 hex heads. So on the plus tent, so plus tent, Z tent, ST series, you'll have one M8 washer, one spring washer, and the only difference will be if you have the standard 1.2, 1.4, you'll have spring washer, and then we just need you to put two of these washers on there. The bolt length is a bit of a funny size in the middle, so for the standard 1.2, 1.4, you do have to put two washers. And like I was saying before, so just for the plus 10 and all the other ones, you've just got the spring washer and flat washer. From there, we will put this up on the side. And ready? So this little cutout here, we've made this a universal bracket for all of our tents. That's why there's such a big opening here, and you get a bit of height adjustment out of it too. The beauty of that is you don't need any additional brackets. It all goes over the original pole receiver. And that's that channel nut we've already slid in there. So if you imagine you've got that up there, that's how you're going to be bolting this to the side. So once that's all bolted up, we'll jump back down and see what's going on with the back of this shower awning. We've already bolted this one up just for demonstration purposes. So this part, your spring latch section, this will actually bolt to the back of the shower awning like so. We've put these are the special 14mm head ones. So generally an M8 is 13mm, but these are 14mm because the back of this track actually takes the 14. You imagine you got that all bolted up, and the way this is going to work, this is the receiver, that'll go in like that. So this part here will obviously get bolted up along here. Same system with our hex head bolt and our flat head washer that goes in like that. And then that'll bolt up to the side, tighten that all up. So we'll jump downstairs now. I've actually had one of these on my car for the last maybe 6 months. So I've been using it, it's really good. We'll jump down there, it's already bolted up. I'll show you exactly how it works with the finished product, so it all makes sense. Yeah. Alrighty, so this is why we do the swing out bracket, because you imagine if I was trying to use my shower awning right now I can't get into my canopy. I've got heaps of stuff in there that I need, so having the ability to move this off the canopy and set the shower awning up here is sweet. Should have done this years ago, but good things take time. So that's all bolted up. If we pan the camera under there, you'll see that bracket assembly all together like that. And then I'll go ahead and open this up. We'll see how it all works. So we pull that back. And that is it, all bolted up. So this one's actually on the standard 1.2, 1.4. We've got that latch assembly already bolted to the tent, and I've already worked out the distances of where to put this latch here. So I actually bolted this latch on first, so I knew exactly where it would land when it went back to the tent, and then sat that assembly over the top, marked where I was putting it on the tent, and then bolted that right up. Obviously the shower awning, this is the easiest part. It's just 4 bolts like our 270s that go in the slide track, and they just go in the 4 holes that are already on this stainless bracket already. And other than that, that's pretty well it. So we'll get a couple of close-ups here maybe so everyone can have one last look at it and how it all bolts. As always, if you get stuck and need a hand, or you just want to cross-reference how you've mounted it and we can check it, just send us some photos and we'll point you in the right direction. Yeah, so thanks for watching.